Best deals.
1. Brush set. Made from virgin plastic, special brush with split bristles which enables collecting fine dust particles. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Garden broom. Made from high quality steel so it is both strong and lightweight. With the adjustable fan, it folds to a tighter profile so that it is less apt to be damaged while being stored between raking jobs. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Triangle mop. Equipped with thickened and encrypted microfiber mop cloth, which is very durable and can quickly absorb water within 5 seconds and has excellent adsorption capacity that traps the dust tightly. When used to wipe windows, mop allows for hands-free wringing and controlled water release. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Broom. Is flexible and reaches corners, has flat fiber for fine dust removal, and it's water resistant. Remove handle for use as a duster. The handle is strong and durable that lasts long after times of use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Window cleaner. Comes with long and safe anti-falling rope. When you use it, the rope should be tied to your hand to prevent the window cleaner falling down. You can clean the outside window by standing in the room and wipe the glass more securely. The triangular designed magnetic glass cleaner can wipe to the narrow areas. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Duster. Made of high quality stainless steel, the extension pole extends up to 55 inches to help you easily clean ceilings, pendant lights, fans, and more. Brush heads are all detachable and washable, so you can reuse them. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Floor cleaning brush. The stainless steel rod is lightweight and easy to clean. The magic broom brush bar can be locked with a threaded joint for easy rotation and fixation. There is a hanging hole at the top of the handle, and the brush can be stored on the bathroom wall. The angle of the pole and brush part is ergonomic. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scrubber. Rotating head that gives 360-degree cleaning for tiles and bathroom floor. Long and durable handle makes floor scrubbing easy without bending. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cleaning brush. Made of high quality PP material, stainless steel and iron while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum, featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mini Mop. Made of high quality ABS and sponge materials, this Mini Mop Pro is built to withstand regular use, ensuring dependable performance over time. The sleek design of the mini mop for kitchen makes it easy to maneuver and clean even the tightest. Ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fitting tool. The blade material is molded rubber which could move the water clearly. Also we use the soft material in order to avoid the surface scratch. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Plastic broom. Comes with a strong handle which ensures resistance against strenuous cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Garden broom. Comes with 3 interchangeable heads, providing versatility for various tasks such as leaf cleanup, soil leveling, and general garden maintenance. Designed specifically for quick leaf cleanup. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Window screen cleaning brush. Made of quality PE material is environmentally endurable, detachable handle. It is a multifunctional and multipurpose window cleaning kit. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Gap cleaning brush kit. Applicable for tile, bathtub, floor cleaning. The additional built-in semicircular brush can be used for cleaning drain pipes, hobs, counter surface or other small spaces or crevice. Used the brush, you can place it on the drip rack and store it after drying immediately. Expert for wall tiles or other suitable places. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Flat mop. Lightweight, sturdy and durable microfiber long duster with telescoping pole with long handle helps you reach into corners, gap, bedside, furniture bottom and narrow spaces that hard to clean. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Triangle mop. Can be used to clean glass, floor, wall, gap, corner, car wash, easy to clean, durable. With 2 different cloth pads, fiber cloth pad and chenille cloth pad, scraping head can be removed and washed at will, stainless steel rod can be lengthened and controlled freely. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Flat mop. Unique combination of brush cum wiper for impeccable floor cleaning experience. Rigid metal body of wiper case along with quality plastic handle increases durability of the floor wiper. Steel body also helps to create enough pressure to remove stubborn dirt particles. Long heavy duty easy fit threaded plastic rod for better coverage. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless cleaning brush which helps to clean bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves effortlessly and quickly. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Electric Spin Scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. The internal motor system of the electric spin scrubber has 2 speeds, low speed -250 rpm and high speed -350 rpm. The default speed is low when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. The dual speed design allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, includes large bristle brush, small bristle brush, pointed bristle brush, fiber sponge, sponge, wool cloth, small cloth brush, large cloth brush, battery capacity up to 2500 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. It's strong enough and durable that lasts long after times of use. When combined with a cleaning agent, the scrubber can quickly eliminate stubborn stains, leaving your tile floors looking brand new, allowing you to clean any corner of the room with ease. Despite its powerful performance, the scrubber produces a low sound volume of under 70 decibels. This tool is especially beneficial for the elderly and those with waist problems, and can also save time and effort. It makes for an excellent gift for parents and spouses, and provides the convenience of modern technology. High-speed rotation for deep cleaning and effective scrubbing, lightweight and easy to navigate around furniture and into corners. Product link is given in the 19th link. Thanks for watching.